What's up, everyone? So this is going to be Hershey Factory Part 3. So you're going to see what I meant by, this is when we're heading back from that residential area. You're going to see exactly what I meant when I said that this is literally other side of the tracks. So, you can see the kind of road that we're walking on. You can just hear all of the, you can hear some machinery going. It's not an active factory anymore, but there's still machinery that runs in there, I assume, to keep certain things going. It's another look at the blue lights on the Hershey power plant. Oh, it's the train engine, that's right. Ooh, look at this. We've got a set of stairs. Wonder if these were from the cocoa silos. This is really stupid as someone who has a bone disease for me to be doing this. But yeah, I did it. Wonder if that set of stairs came from the cocoa silos, but now we've got a tunnel. Tunnels are always cool. Look at this. Look at the structure of this with the stones and the brickwork. You can see that this part of the brickwork has been replaced by concrete. Closer to this side. But still cool on the areas where there's the brickwork. The blue lights will always be awesome on the smokestacks up there. I did think there were people up there for a second, but then I remembered, oh, that's right, it's just things from either the railroad or the factory or something. Clearly there's something in here. Yeah. You can see that there's stuff in there. This is part of the old setup, presumably. But I guess you could call this series Willette Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, since, well, that's my name, and this is an abandoned chocolate factory that I'm exploring. Oh, I had to. And no, my last name isn't actually Wonka, but it is a funny way to reference that. But yeah, here's gonna be our last shot of the smokestacks. And that'll do it here from the abandoned Hershey factory.